This is going to be a video tutorial on how to access the developer tools in the Floorp web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Floorp web browser opened up now. To access the developer tools, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says More Tools. Click on More Tools. And then right up here at the top, Developer Tools, Web Developer Tools. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus Shift plus I. I'm going to click on Web Developer Tools. Now the console opens up on the right hand side here. You can adjust the size of your pane over here. You could also go up to the top up here, the 3-dot menu up here, click on that. You could move the developer tools to either the bottom. By default it's set to the right side. You could dock it to the left side, or you could open it in a separate window. I'm going to dock mine to the bottom. Now I have my developer tools docked down at the bottom. I can stretch out on it. Across the top here you have several different tabs. You got the inspector tab, you got the console tab, you got the debugger tab, the network tab, the style editor tab, performance tab, memory tab, storage, accessibility, application, and I have ad blocker installed on mine. But that is how to access the developer tools in the Floorp web browser. Thanks for watching.